right, we're gonna do, I wanna say it's a 10-minute summer sweat-proof makeup application. It's summer officially. It's a little bit cold. The weather in Jersey is not the best. I'll prep my skin really quick. I'm just using this rose water and glycerin. I've been really enjoying using this because it doesn't strip my skin or anything like that. And even though it's summer, my skin is still really dry. Also, want to share something. I was eating like sweets because we were celebrating my daughter's graduation. And my nose broke out. Whenever I eat anything that has too much sugar in it, my skin reacts like immediately. I hate that. I'm going to use my Versed Dew Point Moisturizer. This stuff is really good. They did send this to me to try out, and I've been really enjoying it. It's very lightweight, but it's still moisturizing. I'm going to take that, rub it between my fingers. Also, it's affordable. I really like to use like True Botanicals, but I totally understand that it's expensive. So I wanted to give you guys like a more affordable option. So I'm just gonna apply this everywhere. It feels so good on the skin, and I take it down to my neck. Oh, it feels so good. And I'll even put it underneath my eyes, because why not? And whatever's left over, I just on the back of my hands. So let's see if I can keep this under 10 minutes. I think I can if I put it on the way I normally do. So this is tried and true. This is my RoseInc Skin Enhance Luminous Skin Tint. Oh, I'm sorry, Tinted Serum. I said it wrong. I'm gonna keep it real with you. I take it, 1, 2 on my hand. I rub it between my fingers. It kind of breaks up like the pigment. And I just apply it to my face. This feels like water on the face, but it quickly evens out my skin. This, like, it makes my skin look perfect or better. It evens it out. It dries down really nice, and I've been honest with you guys about something that drives me crazy. I get a sweaty mustache here. I hate it. And whatever foundation I put on, it usually like disappears within a few seconds. Not with this one. See how that like instantly made my skin look perfect? Perfect. And I do have a 20% off discount code for RoseInc site-wide, so feel free to use it. I will have it down below. My Make Beauty Concealer Skin Mimetic. I always take it to the back of my hand, ring finger, and I just start applying it. This went viral because I think Hailey Bieber uses it. She's got perfect skin. But I know she's got like under eyes, like darkness or whatever. This stuff's amazing. This stuff is good too. If you're in a pinch and you don't have foundation, you could just use it like all over the face. It really just brightens up and gets the job done. Like if I want a little more coverage or I want to brighten up, I'm just gonna pop that there. So skin tints are always my go-to because they're very, like they're kind of sheer, though this one is like a solid light coverage. Maybe slightly medium, maybe not. They're just the easiest to work with, and if my skin starts to change because of the summer and I'm outside more, it just adjusts to it better. Eyebrows. This is probably what's going to take the longest. I'm using the NYX. This is the Lift and Snatch brow pen in. So I'm going to take this and I'm going to, with a light hand, just fill in any sparse areas. I don't try to make my brows look perfect because it just takes too long when I do that. I just want them to look natural, so I'll kind of just like feather it through certain parts. Like I'll kind of connect the bottom like that and then flick. So this brow pen is cool because it will stay on all day. So see, I keep it light. I'll almost keep my eyebrows still looking a little bit sparse because then it looks like hair. I'm just gonna go in with this. This is from my Kitco. It's my brush brow. And I will kind of just feather it through. Mascara. Gonna curl my lashes. This is my Japanesque eyelash curler. It's really nice. You don't have to squeeze very hard either. It's very like gentle. You almost can't squeeze hard, if that makes sense. I always have to curl my lashes because they are super, super duper straight. And if I don't, and I put mascara on, no matter what mascara, even if it says it's lifting, it just drops. I've been using the Joah Lashes Up mascara. I wanted to try this out because actually a couple of you guys told me that it's a really good one. It's not bad for drugstore. It's definitely keeps my lashes up, and it does lengthen a little bit. It's like a step above like your everyday mascara. So if you guys notice, like my foundation has dried, and you see how it really does leave my skin luminous. That's what I like about this one. I don't feel it on my face either, which I like. This is not a sponsored video. I just really like this brand. I'm gonna go in with 2 more products from Make Beauty. I'm gonna go in with the bronzer. I got a new one in shade Dune. I bought this myself. Also a new blush in Feverish. Bought this myself. Anything that's Make, I bought myself. I would love to be on their PR list, and I've even reached out to them, but I haven't heard back, so. I guess I'm not that popular. No, I really like their stuff. I would continue to buy. So this is Dune. I take it, and on a fluffy brush, and I just take a little bit to my cheeks. I have this shade Aura, but now that I have some color, you can still see it on my skin, but I just wanted a little bit more of a bronzier look. This is by far my favorite powder bronzer, by the way. It sits on the skin really nice. It doesn't like sit powdery. I've tried other bronzers that are kind of powdery. This is my favorite one. Take a little bit down to the nose. What I like to do sometimes too is I will take this, take a eyeshadow brush, and just run it through my crease. Just for a little definition. See how that is a tiny bit, but it did something? That's it. See how like my face is already coming together? I swear, eyebrows, foundation, and a little bit on your cheeks really does a lot. You can stop here if you want, but I'm a blush person, so this one I had to buy it. It's in a red color. It's called Feverish. So beautiful. And when you blend it out, it just like lightly stains your cheeks. So I'm gonna take it and I'm just gonna pop it on my cheek. I think blush is my favorite makeup product. It's the product I think I have the most of. If I were to show you guys my blush jar, you'd be like, what the hell, Anna? You have one face. Well, and you could take this and just pop it on your lips. Alright, listen, I did it under 10 minutes. And without the talking, I probably could have done it in maybe 7. So this is the sweat-proof, summer-proof, like everyday, no makeup that I would do. Sometimes I would even just leave it to the skin tint. Take it underneath the eyes, a little bit of blush. Like if I was really like in a pinch, I would probably do this, and I have to do mascara. Those are absolute musts for me. The concealer, you know, if I want to just brighten up, do that. Oh shoot, I would have to do my brows too. So yeah, you know what, they're all necessities, so. Yeah, that's it. That's it. I keep it pretty simple. Again, this is like if I'm on the go and I really gotta get out the house. If you want to see a more like in-depth, like kind of glam, let me know. I'll definitely do that for you guys too. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them down below, and I'll see you in my next one.